For this video, I do want to add that the batteries that we use are these that you can find at fullbattery.com. These hold 4 times the capacity. They'll last 4 times longer than your regular hoverboard batteries. They're more high quality and obviously going to last you way longer. So check them out, fullbattery.com. We always recommend to install these kinds for your hover wheels car. Go check them out. I'll leave the link on the description, fullbattery.com.
Oh man! Careful, guys! Oh! You're it, you got to bring tight. Go. Your turn. Go. Your turn. Your turn. Go, Papa. Oh. Go, baby. Go. Hey guys, that's just a little preview of our custom power wheels that we have created. We're gonna make a video on how to do them, how to create them, and then we're probably gonna sell them online too if you guys need some.
So what we do here is we pretty much just gut the hoverboards. We remove every single piece from them, the motherboards, the batteries, every single piece, and we just use the wheels. Because if you didn't know, the wheels are the actual motors. So right here we have a hoverboard that's already gutted, and we just kept the frame, and you see that wheel there? We're gonna replace that wheel with another hoverboard wheel because those other ones, these yellow ones, I don't think they were working too well. So we're using these that actually have air in them. So that's what you do. You just we just use the wheels and we plug in these little controllers. I'll show you. You see that silver, those silver ones I'm pointing at? We bought those on eBay. Each controller controls one wheel, so we need 2 controllers and it's 1 per wheel. And then you see all that cabling. You just have to, you know, connect it accordingly. You also need to buy a pedal, and that pedal connects to the controller. The battery connects to the controller. The wheel connects to the controller, and now it's all in one. And yeah, that's how we do it. I'm gonna post the video, the exact video of how to do this step by step, so you guys can learn how to convert your power wheels into hover wheels.